Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to stream BET Plus on your smart TV. To get started, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your smart TV and search for the BET Plus app. Once you find it, click on the download or install button to get the app on your TV. After the app is installed, open it and navigate to the sign-in or login page. If you already have a BET Plus account, enter your login credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account directly from the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account and verify your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a wide range of content on BET Plus. Browse through the categories or use the search function to find your favorite shows or movies. Select the title you want to watch and click on it to start streaming. You can also save shows to your watch list for easy access later. If you encounter any playback issues, make sure your internet connection is stable and check for any app updates. Restarting the app or your smart TV can also help resolve minor issues. Enjoy streaming your favorite BET Plus content on the big screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.